The 40 years of KG.
The 40 years.
Amen to the Most High.
Ola ola. All the best. So maybe let's give it about what, 30 minutes? And then the taste, is it any close to Nandos? Yo, the outdoors, the fresh outdoors. Hey YouTube, it is what it is. I go by the name Emo, aka the Township Foodie, and I'm back with another video. And today's video, we're celebrating this man's birthday, Mr. K Jizzle.
Yay, yay.
Mr. K Jizzle. So we're gonna do a braai today. It's gonna be a nice braai. So we just at the shopping mall just to get some a couple of ingredients for the braai, and it's gonna be on. Yeah. But first, I think I have to go and shave.
Of course.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Before and after. See? And I did it by myself. We went to the barber, and the barber wasn't there, and I said I can do it myself, and I paid half the price.
Yay, yay.
Yeah. Done and dusted. And toasting to
The 40 years of KG.
the 40 years.
Amen to the Most High.
Ola ola. All the best. Non-alcoholic. Alcohol is banned. Man. Okay, the weather looks good. You know, it's been raining the whole week, and the skies were not as clear. So today is a good day, definitely a good day. So it only calls for a braai. So it was meant to be. It was meant to be a braai. Look at this. Okay, so we're gonna braai over there. We're about to start the braai. It's about what? Maybe around 11 in the morning. So meaning probably we should be ready to eat by 1. So which is good. So we eat before the game. There's gonna be a big game, by the way. Pirates and Chiefs. I have a feeling that Chiefs is gonna win. I think they're gonna give my man over there a good birthday present. Prediction score, maybe what? Probably 2-0. Yeah, it'll be a good 2-0. Yeah. Okay, so what we have over here are the ingredients for the chakalaka or the gravy. Normally chakalaka, you're supposed to use some baked beans and a mixture of maybe a couple of these things. But a guy over there doesn't eat canned food, so we can't have any baked beans. So we're just gonna replace them with potatoes. So what we have is green pepper, we have potatoes, we have tomatoes, we have onion, and we have the chili, of course, and we have a carrot. He said he has some carrots, but look what he has. Like, it almost looks 40 as well. Man, the big 40. Man. Yeah, that's about it. So we're just gonna chop this. They're gonna be diced. And KG, you're gonna do them, ne?
What?
You are the one who's doing the chakalaka. And the pap as well. Okay, there's the fire. And that's the stand. We just washed it using rainwater. Alright, so far this is what we have. So this is the pork chops, this is the T-bone, and this is the chicken. So we're gonna use chicken spice and use the marinade from Nandos, and then we're gonna use the chisanyama spice for the T-bone, and the marinade from Spur, which is a basting sauce, and we're gonna use the spare rib marinade for the pork chop. And the spice we're going to use is this one. It's a lamb spice. It'll do, and this doesn't need seasoning. So it's drizzling a bit. We didn't expect this. As you can see, there's blue skies over there, and it was very sunny today. So this is a bit of a letdown. But in the meantime, I mean, if it does rain, I think it'll rain for only what, maybe 20 minutes, and we'll be waiting for these logs to really collapse. and by the time the rain is done, this will be ready for the meat. Yeah. Okay, it seems like the oil is ready, and in goes the diced potatoes. Hey, I'll check it out. Check it because. Okay. These are gonna come in afterwards, maybe after what? After 15 or maybe after 10 minutes. And then this is gonna be last. This is grated tomatoes, but it was supposed to be chopped tomatoes, and somebody had to mess it up.
Somebody decided otherwise.
Somebody decided otherwise. Here is the person. Okay, so I'm gonna add in this lamb spice. It's actually quite good. It has some herbs in it, so that's why I like it. Okay, that's about enough for now. So the potatoes have to go in first because they're gonna take longer to cook, and then the rest will follow. That should do. Okay. I'm gonna leave them for about 5 minutes. They should be okay by then, and then add on the tomatoes and maybe some seasoning as well. I get it? Yes, course. Okay. Close. And how far is the pup?
Almost.
Almost there. Almost there. Okay. All right. Yeah, that looks good. Nice one. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Okay. You gotta have the onion. The onion is very important. I know we watched this already, but this is the original sanitizer, so we're just sanitizing the stand for now. Okay, that's what we have: marinated chicken, marinated pork chops, marinated T-bone steak, and some ice cold non-alcoholic beer. So, yeah, not all of it, because it's a lot. It was going to be okay if it was chopped, but now because it's in this form, it'll just okay.
Is that a word?
Yeah. Okay. Add, Abud. Add half of that.
Of this.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay. And we probably just need to add in maybe one more spice. I think the chicken spice, or maybe the chisanyama spice. Okay, look, I'm gonna use this curry powder, Raja. Basically, you can put in any spice that you want. So, and I'm adding the chisanyama spice as well. As you can see, it's looking thick, so that's the consistency that you're looking for. It has to be thick, chakalaka vibes. Yeah, that looks good, and it smells good as well. Yeah, done. Yeah, let's go for you. Let's go. This thing. Yeah, so.
Okay, school. I got
Okay. Okay. That's looking good. It's almost done. Let me taste. Okay. Done. Okay. Okay.
Hey, kana ka bo tsentsele leme bela la mo tebele ka mo.
Ooh. It definitely has
Yeah,
a kick.
it's looking good. I must say.
And it smells good as well. Maybe just a pinch of salt, but then we're done here. We're done. Where's the salt? No, not. I'm watching. That's it. We can officially say that this is done. Seems like you're ready. Yep. Okay. I think we have enough charcoal to start with the braai now. Look at that. Yeah, man. Yeah. Okay, just come. Okay, so what do we start with first? The chops and this. Okay. It's not so hot over there, so that's fine. Okay. Listen to the meat sizzle. Sizzle. Yeah, man. There we go. Okay. And you too. Yeah, nice. Nice one, guys. Ooh. Yeah, it's really hot. It's really hot. Okay, can move this. And then comes the pork chops. Okay, there we go. You have to remember to flip all the time. Don't get distracted. Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh, come on. Yeah, it's only for dieting, for chicken. Okay. I don't know. I think maybe they need a little bit of oil treatment as well. So I'm gonna put in some oil in there. I hope he has a brush, and then add in some more of this marinade in there, and then baste them as I grill. Okay, so I've added the oil and some more of the marinade. Just gonna mix them up. Mix. Do the same in this one. Okay. Actually, we can start with you. Okay, done with this side, and we'll apply on the other side when I flip the meat. That's it. Looking good. This is for the T-bone. Okay, yeah. This is almost done actually. It is done actually. Basting on the pork chops. Okay, I think I have to take them off now. Let's see. Okay. Love the color. Love the color. It's looking good. Okay, let me just leave it for what? For about maybe 2 more minutes. Okay, this can come off actually. Look at that. Look at this. Yeah, man. Okay, I'm taking this off as well. Okay. That's it. Okay. Cover them up. Probably put them in the microwave. It's on. It's recording. Okay. Come this way. The chicken. Ooh, it's breaking apart. Okay. I'm gonna use my hands. I washed them. I washed my hands.
I hope so.
Yeah. Okay, which side first?
The top part,
Yeah.
I believe. Yeah, that side.
Yeah.
But is the fire
The fire doesn't seem.
encouraging? It's not, ne?
Yeah, it doesn't seem encouraging.
Yeah, then like okay.
We'll have to do with what we have.
Are some of the side thing then
No.
Hana stress.
That'll do.
I hope so, eh?
That'll do. So what I'm gonna do now? Okay, what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna gather the coal together. Okay. Yeah, this should do. If we had maybe something to cover this, just so that it cooks, but
Lack of resources.
yeah. So Mara, we'll just leave it as it is. It's fine. Probably it's gonna take longer to cook. But yeah, this will do. Hey, tada. See, this is what I wanted. Flames. So it's gonna be flame grilled. Let me flip it. Before it burns. Oh man, using one hand, man. Oh. Yeah. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna flip it again. As you can see, the flames have come up again. Okay, let me chop them up. Done. Yeah. Oh, it's getting crisp. The skin is so crisp. I like it. Okay. Go in closer. I don't know, I'm thinking of separating the wings from the chicken breast. Um, yeah, but it's good. Okay, let me flip the sides. It's almost done. I think probably let's give it about what in 15 minutes time, 15 to 20 minutes time. Should be good. I'd like to get this a little bit more roasted, but otherwise, yeah, it's looking good. Okay, one last flip. Okay, maybe not the last. Let me just flip. Oh yes, we're ready to eat now. How the chicken is ready to be eaten. Uh-huh. Yeah. Nice. Yes. That. Ooh. Okay. Can you see this? Oh man. This is what they call jack chicken in Jamaica. But over here we call it chicken dust. Yeah. Ah, there we go, man. Look at this. Look at this. It's a feast. This is how it's done. This is how you do it. Ah, man, that's a nice braai, man. I don't know where he's taking the ketchup. I don't need no ketchup here, man. Hey. Oh, that chicken looks good, man.
It's beautiful, eh?
Yes, yes. Oh, the chakalaka. Oh, look at this. And the pop. Save yourself, say.
No, for sure. Thank
Oh,
you, thank you,
oh,
thank you.
Okay, so the chakalaka is in. Let's see what you have
It's in
here.
this big
Okay.
pasta. You see the same one?
Yeah, it's too big. So what do you want to do? You want to cut it up or what?
Yeah.
No, you can put it at the bottom. Start with it, put it at the bottom, and then if you don't finish it, it's fine.
Okay,
Yeah. put this on top of this one.
Presentation is very much important, I see.
Okay, but okay. Anyways, okay, your chicken. What are you gonna have? You deserve a chicken breast.
A breast?
Yeah.
Not a breast. It's too huge. My glass is too huge. Yeah?
Okay.
I mean,
Put it over there. There's space over there.
ooh,
There we go.
beautiful. I must say, beautiful.
Now that's a plate.
Beautiful.
That's a plate full of meat.
That's what a 40-year-old deserves.
Yeah.
What a 40-year-old deserves.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday! That's a cake.
No.
A cake for a 40-year-old. No cakes, but braai meat. Yes. Okay. Chakalaka. Look at this chakalaka, man. This is like, oh, it's looking good. Okay, over here. Excuse the music in the background. I don't know why this guy is playing music from 2010. Is he trying to reverse his age? Maybe. Still hot. Okay, yeah. The side looks much more better. Okay. Now that's Nandos for you, bruh. Yeah. Let's go eat. How's the food? Tell me so far.
On point.
On point. How's the chicken? Okay, tell me about the chicken.
Chicken is well done.
Well done. It's still juicy, succulent.
Of course.
And then the taste, is it any close to Nandos?
Very much so. Very much so.
Hola. And then can you taste the pork chop? I haven't tasted it, so you let me know. Tasty.
Very much so.
Okay. How's the salt in there? Is it okay? Is it balanced?
No complaints so far.
No complaints. And then what about the what do you call the T-bone? T-bone. Let's get your reviews on the T-bone. The marinade
On point.
on point.
On point.
And how's the chakalaka? How's the chakalaka? Chakalaka without the beans. Now you know how to make chakalaka without the beans. Huh? Everything was on point.
Very much so.
Yeah, man. Okay. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go to the light because there's not enough light. Can you see me? Come over. Come close. First thing I'm gonna start with the chakalaka. Can you see this? Can you see? The best, one of the best. I'm gonna start doing this. Oh, okay. A little bit of chakalaka. Homemade Nandos with the Nandos sauce. Definitely one of the best that I ever made. One of the best I ever made. No, don't turn it around.
You think
Don't
half.
That's fine. Okay. A bit of this. Okay, pork chop. Oh, the basting is sweet. It's nice, not over salted. Loving the flavors. Okay. Okay. Onto the T-bone.
That's enough.
Oh, come on. Mm. Mm. Hey, YouTube, it is what it is. We just made a good cake for a 40-year-old. This is a cake. Hey, YouTube, it is what it is. Yeah, that was a day for me. Everything went so well, and I have to say the chicken was my favorite over there. It was exactly like Nando's chicken. I promise you, I'm not lying at all. The Nando's sauce works. It works so well. And the other two, the pork chop, it was nice. It was sweet because of the marinade, and the T-bone steak was good as well. So everything really, yeah, it was good. The pop was nice. The chakalaka was a superstar as well. But yeah, thank you for watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Please, 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 please. Let's do this. Till the next video. Hola. Well, by the way, I just realized we forgot to braai the wors. The sausages, they were there. We just forgot about them. We forgot about them, and yeah, I'm gutted right now. Yeah, but it is what it is.